How was the experience with the mobilia space?
Well, mobilia space has been a lovely experience for me and my husband as far as the renovation for our home goes. Uh, the best part about them is that they connect with the customer so well that they understand what the person wants, and then they give you the product accordingly. So when I was looking for people who could renovate my place, I came across Mobilia Space, and the first thing they told me was, "Ma'am, rather than talking, we would first come and would like to have an interaction with you, would like to have a feel of your place, so that they understand what the customer wants." And that is the best that you can do when it comes to getting your place renovated. And these people, I must say, were very understanding of what you want and the way they implemented it, and the whole experience that I had, because I really didn't come to know how well things got planned and in how much time it all got made. It was really a lovely experience, and I'm looking forward to more of such renovations done by Mobilia Space. Hats off to them, the way they conducted themselves throughout the process. It was amazing.